Hey everyone! Ever thought your favorite foods could be your worst enemy? Today I'm uncovering the shocking truth about 12 seemingly healthy foods that can actually be deadly if mishandled. Let's dive in. First up, fugu or pufferfish. This Japanese delicacy contains tetrodotoxin, a neurotoxin that's up to 1,200 times more deadly than cyanide. One fish has enough poison to kill 30 people. Next, red kidney beans. Raw or undercooked, they contain lectins, toxins that can kill stomach cells. Be sure to cook and soak them thoroughly. Cassava, also known as tapioca, is another risky one. If prepared incorrectly or eaten raw, it can turn into hydrogen cyanide. Yikes! The sweet variety is less deadly but still dangerous if mishandled. Cherry pits. Yes, those little seeds inside cherries contain compounds that can turn into cyanide in your body. Large doses can cause dizziness, vomiting, and even death. Raw cashews are next. Unprocessed, they contain urushiol, the same chemical found in poison ivy. Consuming raw cashews can be fatal, especially if you're allergic. Lima beans, uncooked, contain linemarine, which can turn into hydrogen cyanide. Cooking and draining them thoroughly is key to staying safe. Ever heard of rhubarb leaves? They contain oxalic acid, which can cause kidney stones and even death if eaten in large quantities. Stick to the stalks for your pies and jams. Ackee fruit is a true tropical treat, but improperly prepared, it can cause Jamaican vomiting sickness, leading to coma or death. Only eat the cream-colored pulp around the seeds and avoid the pink flesh and black seeds. Sanakji, or live octopus, might sound adventurous, but those suction pads can stick to your throat, causing choking. Always chew carefully. Potato greens, leaves, stems, and sprouts contain glycoalkaloids, which are toxic. Avoid them or risk serious illness. Unpasteurized honey contains pyrrolizidine alkaloids, which can be toxic. It can cause headaches, dizziness, vomiting, and in large amounts, even death. Finally, green potatoes. Exposure to light or certain chemicals can turn potatoes green, producing solanine, a toxin that can cause vomiting, diarrhea, and even death. Remember, knowledge is power. Handle and prepare these foods correctly to enjoy them safely. Stay informed, stay safe, and happy eating. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more life-saving tips. See you next time.